Hey guys, it's Chris, and welcome back to Something Else Mail Time. I got a package here, all the way from down under, and this is from Mr. Allen. So I'm going to break out the Klingon letter opener and see what's in this box. It says Computer Components Other. Okay, so Mr. Allen from Marsden, Australia. Or is it Australia? Australia. So this took not long at all to get here, considering it had to come such a long distance. I think that's it. Alright, that's it. Let's see what's in the box, man. We got a note. Thank you. Hi, Dr. Chris, savior of the Amigaverse. You asked me if I was sure about sending you this Commodore 2630 25 megahertz plus 2 meg. Yes, absolutely, for a couple reasons. One, it is broken and should make a good restoration video. Two, it is beyond my skills to repair. Three, only you have the helmet of Goober. Not only me, anybody can. I have no need for it. I can only use one Amiga at a time. I would prefer to see this go to someone who will keep it working. I have to divest myself of much of my Amiga hardware due to running out of room to store other things, and we have a new granddaughter coming. So I can't be a Patreon, so look at this as kind of a Patreon payment. You don't have to be a Patreon. It's greatly appreciated. I just find this awesome. I hope you do a video on repairing this board, particularly burning new ROMs, as I need to burn a set for my 2620. There's a few extra things in the box that you can make use of, or I hope you can make use of. It includes a 2630, has some damage to the boot ROMs. I discovered this when I tried to remove the low one. Damage to the caps, RAM area. There's a 2286 battery spread its goop. A 2286 which had the battery, cause of death in my 2500. It worked before that accident. It also contains a 10 megahertz 287 coprocessor that also has some goop on it. A pack of Arnott's Chocolate Mint Cream Biscuit cookies in your part of the world. Hope you like them. One scorched peanut bar. I'm allergic to peanuts. It'll kill me. That'll be the last Dr. Chris video, so my wife will have to eat that one and let me know. A scorched peanut bar, resurrected candy bar from the 50s, 60s, and 70s in Australia. A company was called Mastercraft. They're good if you like peanuts in toffee covered in milk chocolate. Oh, sounds good, but again, death. One Violet Crumble bar, which has been around since before my time. It's chocolate-coated honeycomb, my wife's favorite. Will work for food. I do this because I see you in someone who's potentially a kindred spirit. I know we think alike on many things. You may not fully realize just how much you bring to the Amiga community, and I'm sure many feel the same way. Sir Chris, may you live long, and may the Amiga live. Alan from Queensland. Thank you, Alan. Let's check out these goodies. Packaging, we get some Australian dirt. And Australian dirt. I hope there's none of those crazy big Australian death bugs in here. Okay, so here we go. We'll work for food. Scorched peanut bar. Made in Australia. Right in my thumb. That smells. Arnott's mint slice. What do you call these? Biscuits? Cookies in America, where Jesus lives. They look good. Do you guys get all the carcinogens that we do? Ingredients. Milk, cocoa butter, vegetable oil. Emulsifiers is flour, sugar, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, salt, caramel, color from wheat, baking powder, peppermint oil, and something from soy. Wow, that would have 92,000 chemical names in America. I'll have to send you some of our junk. They're good until 2023, September. My wife's really going to like this peanut thing. Thank you so much for that. And finally we have It Shatters That Matter. It's the way it shatters that matters. The Violet Crumble. This is that chocolate honeycomb thing looks like nougat. I'll have to read this one. Ingredients: compounded chocolate, sugar, vegetable fat, milk, solids, cocoa, emulsifiers, salt, flavor, honeycomb, and gelatin maize starch. Peanuts and tree nuts may be present. Gluten-free. Son of a biscuit. I'll give it a small sample. If I start to die, I'll stop eating it. Alright, on to the thing at hand. This is the 2620. These are 6820 boards for your Amiga 2000. They came in the 2500s back in the day. Hear that, Mr. Q? Missing a screw, but that's okay. It's the back plate. Oh my goodness, Christmas. Ah, yeah. Alright, so yeah, this thing is burnt slap up. So take a gander at that. Oh man, she's had better Christmases, I'll tell you that. So yep, that's just a little bit of, there ain't even any pins there. Oh my goodness, even separating these, it's going to destroy it. They're just pin headers. This crystal, I don't know how that crystal's, if it works, that'll be just incredible. We're going to have to test this on the POS 2000 just in case it nukes it. AT Emulator 2000. Whew. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? This emulator card. Holy crap. Okay, so this ROM thing here. Oh. So, Mr. Allen said when they pulled the ROM out, it broke. So I'm thinking the ROM socket broke. Nope. There's some tape around the edge here. There's the ROM. What's left of it? It's all the pins are just chopped off. They literally dry rotted off. Now this side almost has them. Can I possibly wire mod, just grind away at the pins here that are missing, extend them long enough to get them into the reader to dump them? Or what are these? This isn't the Helmet of Goober. 931E5. What are even these ROMs? They are erasable. They have a glass window. 2630U102. So the pins are still in here. They're just literally rusted solid. Oh my, I don't know if this card's ever going to live again. The PALs are just hanging out for fun. That's leaning to the side right here. Oh, the memory is all zip 20 that is rusted. Okay. I don't know if this is ever going to work again. I really don't. If it is, it's going to be a small miracle. 1630-25, 882-25, socketed PLCC chips, 25 megahertz clock. This looks fine. It looks like the 2286 battery blew up, and it was sitting on this card or next to it because of the chunkiness of whatever, and I don't know, CPU's here, first Zoro is usually here, but we'll see if we can get this going again. This has a battery in it. Well, it had a battery in it. Oh God. There's a dead something in there. I don't know what that is. There's wires across the resistor, and she's had some work done. So I might just throw this whole thing in the hot tank, give her the Exorcist blessing, and see where we end up. But that's just an unboxing of this mystery tub. I'm going to have to separate this board. I'm not pooping. Here we go. Alright, got the board off. Got wire mods and bodges. That doesn't look too bad. Gives us a better look at the emulator card. So that looks a little less scary. Yeah. We can see what we can do with that. She's got bends in her, and there we go. And this needs to be replaced, and caps, and this might be salvageable. It's that, boy, what is blowing all over me? We'll see what we can do with this. That's a lot better. And then we'll hook up this thing. I don't know. This is the CPU. What is this? The floppy controller and stuff? I don't know what this is for. Is this RAM? Is this required? Oh my god. So, but you'd be amazed at what a hot tank can do. Bloop! Give her a bath, let her soak, try to get all, take some photos of the stickers so when they all fall off we know where they go. And we'll hope for the best. So look for this project in the future. Maybe near, maybe far. Don't know at this point. 2630 is going to need a ROM socket, new ROMs. Code is available. I'll just have to get the ROMs, get them dumped, get them ordered, see what we can do on that. So Mr. Allen, thank you for the cards. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for those candy bars, biscuits, cookies, whatever you want to call them. And these things. They're going to be... I'm looking forward to trying this one and hopefully not dying. I unfortunately cannot have anything peanut because I am anaphylactically allergic to the oil that makes that happen. Yet I can eat Chick-fil-A, which is refined peanut oil. So whatever they refine out is what I am allergic to. So that's a quick update. Thank you guys for coming along on this quick unboxing. Look forward to this video and many more in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you learned something.